Hello! Welcome to the tutorial for intermediate ukulele and our Minim Day 2026. So, what you need is your ukuleles with the chords. Intermediate ukulele means you learn more difficult chords, right? So you have the beginner ukulele chords, which are yellow sticker C chord, red sticker A minor, green sticker F chord, and what's this? Blue sticker is C major 7 chord, okay? Then you have your intermediate chord, which is the 3-finger chords, which is here. This is the G chord. And then your E minor chord is blue, blue, blue. Just like this. Like a staircase. Okay. And then you need your music sheets. This is your first song, Zoo. And then that's 2 pages. And then we have Ghostbusters. And then we have Waka Waka. Have these music sheets in front of you when you practice. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to practice. We'll get through all 3 songs and we're gonna have a great time. Okay, Zoo. Get ready, your C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. Ooh, ooh, knock, 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 C chord. Knock, 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 G chord. We live in a crazy world, caught up in the rat race. Concrete jungle life is sometimes a mad chase. It's you and me together at the end of a wild day. Don't keep it all bottled up and release your energy. Hey, away. Only reason we are here is to celebrate in a place where anyone can be anything. Hold on to this moment, don't let it fade away. Baby, keep the music playing. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. Ooh, ooh. Come on, keep it up. It's fun if you're done to play. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. Ooh, ooh. Good. The second song is, let's see, Ghostbusters. Okay, you need E minor chord and the intro is 4 times. E minor. 1, 2, 3. If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If it's something weird and it won't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm afraid of no ghost. I'm afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I'm afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Great job. Last song, Waka Waka. Get ready, your C chord. If your fingers are tired, just do this, okay? All right, C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up, you're dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe it when you fog it up, oh, and if you fog it up, Zamina, Zangalewa. This is for Africa, Zamina, Waka, Zamina, Zangalewa. This time for Africa, Zamina, Waka, Zamina, Zangalewa. This time for Africa, and Jacob J. Good practicing. See you at the next practice time. Bye bye.